Next, I would like to tell everybody something called a 7F model, which not everybody creates and keep. I have created in 2013. Even I learned this 1 year afterwards. I learned it from Mr. Shiv Khera, who has written this book called You Can Win. Everybody heard about Shiv Khera?
Yes.
Yes. So I happened to have an opportunity to meet her at Taj Hotel for a 1 week session. So it was a 50-member 1 week personalized session where I learned this from him, and I incorporated from 2013 on, which was immediately after 2 years after my college. I'm just sharing one image. I hope everybody will be able to see that. I'm just. See, I'm sharing a 7F of 2013 itself. Everybody is able to see an image on your screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now it mentions, this is a very old model of mine. I make this every year. So this is a 1-year plan. So we call it a 7F model. So if you can see on the right top, you have something called future.
Yes.
In bracket, I have written career management.
Career management.
Below that you have fun, which is stress management. Right. So we call health management, which comes under fitness again. The third box. The fourth you find below family and friends, which both comes under relationship management. So when we were on the call, I think initially somebody was like, I had a lot of time to spend with my family during this lockdown. I had a lot of time to speak to my friends. So all that comes under this relationship management. Now, finance management. This is the 6th F. And the 7th F covers 3. It's focus area 1, 2, and 3. You can have multiple focus areas. Focus area can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many ever you want. So the 7th F is focus. I'm repeating again. The first F is future. Second F is fun. Third F is fitness.
Yes.
The fourth is family. Fifth comes friends. The 6th comes finance. And the 7th comes focus areas, which can be multiple, and focus area is different for everybody. It need not be the same for everybody. So now I've just listed, if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, every box I've listed. This is a 1-year plan. This you need to plan every January. अपन बोलते हैं New Year पे resolution लेते हैं. We take a lot of resolutions. It's just not talking. This every year 2013, 14, 15, 16, we have till 2020. I have one poster listed each on my wall. So आपकी जो drawing room है, or maybe the living room where you play, your own bedroom, wherever you feel like, wherever you just get up every day and see it first. आप उठते हो तो आपकी नजर पहले पड़े. उस जगह पे you need to just have a printout of this. You can keep on adding during this February ke March ke. If you have something to be added in that particular area, you can keep on adding in that. And as and when you keep finishing, keep striking it out. So when you're physically waking up every day and you're seeing this, you know what you're doing and where you're heading towards. It's not just speaking कि यार मुझे exercise करना है. It's not like that. So see, I've been very particular. If you can see under fitness, the first point I've mentioned it very particularly. Weight 55 kg by December. I've been very particular on that. The example on the 4th point, if you can see in fitness, meditation, skipping and jogging 1.5 hours. So I've been very particular, and even I've achieved that. See, in future, if you can see the 6th point, Shiv Khera's leadership workshop. So which I actually completed it. So everything what you need to do in your life, you need to list it down. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप ये सारा complete करोगे. If you're not able to complete in 2013, you're going to do it in 2014. It's fine. But at least you know what you have done in 2015 and what you have not done. So this is for your personal growth, not for anybody else. This is not for your employees. This is not for anybody else in your family. This is purely for your own self, for you to know what you did every year. You can make it a monthly plan also. This is a yearly plan we make. You can make it as a monthly plan as well. It is purely customizable. This is just a model जो आपको easily remember करेगा. Now this will cover all the areas of your life, not only business or not only friends and family. It covers everything. So anybody has any things to clarify in this? आपको आपको कोई डाउट्स है कि मुझे ये प्लान कैसे करूँ, आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू मेंटेन रिलेशनशिप्स, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू मेंटेन फाइनेंस, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू मेंटेन माय स्ट्रेस, or I really don't know how to what I want to do in my life.
Just before anybody puts in, I just want to add in कि you don't really have to wait for to start this. You can start from today itself. It's not a calendar year. You can start from any time.
Very true.
True.
You can start it anywhere, any point. It just needs you to sit and pen down things what you want to do.
But I quite like this. How do you get 2,500 likes on Facebook?
Okay, okay, that's in 2013. So wish, yes. So it's all about advertisement, spending on that and everything. So that was mainly for my NGO. So I've written that focus area too, right? So that STG was my NGO which we were running. So during college we used to run an NGO. So we used to attract a lot of youngsters and a lot of volunteers to do work for the NGO. So that's where the 2,500 likes for the Facebook.
That's nice. Interesting.
I shared this because a lot of y'all are young and you're still just college pass outs or coming out of
Sir, I'm 50 years young.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. Thank you so much. So yes, anybody else who wants to share? किसी में कोई doubts हो तो पूछिए. See, this is something very useful because I've been following it for past 7 years, and I've had tremendous results. I've really had very good results. I at least know what I've done in my life and what I want to achieve more ahead. It's not that कि मैंने 2013 में what I planned I did it completely. No, I postponed it also. But yes, at least I'm aware, no, कि मैंने क्या किया है, क्या नहीं किया है. So if you really want to be serious about your life, this is something which would really help you.